speakers. Yan. So next is how these tools be able to help you in your workplace or in school. So uh, these two applications is very helpful especially to the person who have a visual impairment, not a visual impairment, also hearing impairment. Yan. So, kumbaga, example is the PWDs. Yan. Speech to text or these two tools can be incredibly helpful in workplace and also in school environments. So, example, in workplace. So, it helps to increase productivity yan, of a person in the workplace. So, by using these two software, you need, example is we have, instead of typing out reports, emails, or meeting notes, so you can speak and have them transcribe quickly, allowing you to focus on other tasks. That's what we call the quick documentation. And also, it allows you to be multitask or to be a multitasking person. So you can dictate emails, messages, or notes while working on something to save more time. Secondly, it's accessibility and inclusivity. So, example, for those person with disabilities, these tools can be especially useful for people with physical disabilities or for those people who struggle with typing, which provide them with easier way to communicate and document work. And also, it can help in workplace in the diverse range of languages, which can facilitate communication and documentation across different teams, or what we call the multilingual support. Next, transcription of meetings and calls in workplace. And instead of relying on someone to take notes during a meeting, by using these two applications, which is speech to text and text to speech tool, it can transcribe the conversation in real time, ensuring no important details are missed during your meetings. Yan. And also, it can promote or for remote or hybrid teams, these tools can help transcribe video or audio conferences to make it easier to capture important points during the meeting. And also, these two tools, these tools be able to help you, in our workplace, allowing workers to operate tools or software hands-free, yan, making it easier to manage tasks when our hands are busy or when using computer is not possible in our work. Yan. So in school, example in school, I answer it also in school because I'm instructor. So in school, this is very helpful to the students, is also especially to those who have disabilities, students who have disabilities. So we can use this as note taking. So instead of writing notes by hand, by using this application, students or instructors or professor can speak and have their thought transcribed in real time. So we can focus more on understanding literature by using this application. And also, using this application in school, you can have them as a study aid, which you can dictate summaries or notes after class, making reviewing and studying easier. And also, the next advantages of this application is assistance for dysclasia or learning abilities. So, for students with learning abilities, this is very helpful to overcome difficulties in writing the spelling, to enhance focus more on studying. Next is language learning. So, by using this application, it helps students practice pronunciation by comparing their words with correct spelling or structure. And also, it can use as translation. So, this can be helpful to student learning a new language. Accessibility. Yan. So, These two application can can have advantages in terms of accessibility, especially to the students who have hearing impairments or uh, visual impairments. And especially this application can help by providing caption or real-time transcription of spoken contents in class, making it more accessible to students with hearing or visual impairments. Then it helps ensure that all students, regardless of their abilities, can engage fully in learning activities. And also, you can use these tools as essay writing or brainstorming. So the student can speak ideas for essay or research papers into a tool which we can transcribe and organize their thoughts, making writing more efficient in doing some idea generation. So the next is how do you think next question is how do you think is the business value of these two application or two tools or two software application. The first is the business of text to speech and speech to text is BAS, which can offer significant advantages across different aspects of operation, productivity, and customer experience in business. So, the first value or key ways is to improve productivity. It can improve productivity, efficiency in our business. So, it can be time savings. It can be faster by using this application. So our works become faster and easier, and we can work in real time. And also it can reduce cost reduction. It can lower labor costs by automating transcription, note taking, and content creation, reduce need for manual labor. And also, you can reduce time spent on repetitive tasks. Yan. Third is, it can enhance customer services. Because by using this to application, you can efficiently call center operation, it can better customer insights, and also it is available 24/7. It has support 24/7. And fourth, it can improve accessibility and exclusivity. And also, these two application can support for diverse workforce. Yan. Speech text can access people with disabilities. Yan. To provide them with a means of communicate more effectively, promoting diversity and inclusion within the workplace, especially to the person with disabilities, either it is hearing or visual impairments. These tools also support multiple languages, can help businesses communicate better in global markets. And the last, it can boost collaboration with other companies. You can use as a seamless communication to make it easier to collaborate on projects, especially to remote teams. And also, it can use as knowledge sharing by transcription of meetings, interviews, and brainstorming session can be stored and shared easily across departments or team, ensuring everyone has access to the same information with use in our business. So, I think that's my reflection, self-reflection of all about the two tools, which is the speech to text and text to speech software application. Thank you for listening and good day.